Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram other stories is not showing or it's not working. Basically this at the top, if you can see all the other stories, there's a few ways to fix it and I'll show you all of them within the video. So make sure you watch the video all the way until the end. But before we start, give the video a like for the YouTube algorithm. Each like helps us get a few more views, which is obviously really helpful. Subscribe if you are new. We just hit 13,200 subscribers, which is really cool. And also comment down below if you still have any questions around the video while you're watching it, or yeah. Also let us know in the comment section down below which country are you watching the video from, because I'm curious to know. So what you want to do to actually find the other stories is, since all of the stories you see on Instagram just last for 24 hours, if your time and date is not set up, especially now that we're changing up the time, the stories will not show up. So the first fix is to just set your time and date to automatic. So you want to go to the settings on your iPhone or on your Android device and just go down to your time and date. It should be either somewhere around here if you are on an Android device. On an iPhone, it's sometimes on general. Click on date and time right here. You want to have it set to automatically, like I do right here. This is the first thing you want to do. If it still doesn't work, you want to go down, click on general again, go to iPhone storage, find Instagram, and if you have if here you see that there's no space, maybe that's the reason, because it's cached. So you want to offload the app, clear the cache around it, and even just installing it again, or just making sure that you have the recent version by just going on the App Store, the Google Play Store, typing in Instagram, just like this, and having no update option. So it has to say open, just like it says for me here. So if this video helped you out, you know what to do. Give me a like. Each like means the world to us, helps us out, because we're uploading hundreds of videos just like this for your value every single week. If you have questions, comment down below, and if you have topics that we want to cover, let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye.